Tell us a little bit about, what advice do you have for folks that do have to be out on the roads this morning? There are certainly essential workers that do have to go to work.
Yeah, so whenever the weather changes, AAA encourages folks to change their driving behaviors along with the change in the weather. And of course, that's going to be really, really important today. We've got these snow-covered roads. You've got folks driving around in SUVs who may be a little bit overconfident. So everyone, regardless of what you're driving, needs to slow down, increase following distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Don't ever use cruise control when the roads are wet. Make sure those headlights are on so that your vehicle can be seen. And visibility will continue to be a problem even when the snow stops. You've got those whipping winds, and they're going to be bringing the snow off of some of those snow piles on the side. So it's really critical that everyone pay attention, limit distractions, and look out for everyone. We've got the kids around. You're going to have big snow piles on the side of the roads, and just a lot of things that could be a recipe for disaster if you don't pay attention.
Amy, just quickly before we let you go, I just wanted to ask you about COVID protocols. Are they different now with COVID? I know typically a tow truck might come and help you out, and then you might ride in the truck with the tow truck driver. Are things different now because of COVID?
Yes, they are. I mean, of course, AAA is never going to leave one of our members stranded on the side of the road. So our first choice would be to try to help them to get another ride home, either through a Lyft or an Uber or a friend, something like that. We really try to limit all of our interactions with our members for their safety and, of course, also for the safety of our crews. So we do have to add some extra layers of protocol. Of course, everyone is masked up and with the gloves and everything like that. We can do contactless battery changing and things like that. But if a vehicle does need to be towed, and almost half of our calls usually do need to be, then some other arrangements would have to be made.
All right, that's great advice, and hopefully we'll talk to you later on this morning as things develop around the state. Thanks for being with us.
Great.
And the rest of us stay with us.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. We'll be right back.